If you want to get a live or animated or dynamic wallpaper on Realme 14T, then it is possible to do so. However, we need to use a third-party app. There are multiple third-party apps that we can find in the Play Store. In my case, I'm gonna use the TikTok app because there is an option that allows us to set a video as a wallpaper. So for example, over here, we can just search for example, 4K live wallpaper. Over here we can switch to videos to ensure that we are actually finding videos, and then over here we can try to find something that we wish to have, that we like. So let's say I'm gonna use, let's see if this video can be set to as a wallpaper. So first we're gonna tap on this arrow over here to share, and then you should be able to scroll over here in order to find set as. And then over here, if you select this option, we are asked to set up the wallpaper plugin. So we can press install in order to be redirected to the Play Store where we have this plugin, and we need to install it. So first we're gonna install it, and I'm not gonna open. First I'm gonna check if it is possible to go back to the video and try it out again. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So unfortunately it doesn't work. So in this case, I'm gonna just open the plugin app instead. Now let's press open TikTok to set wallpaper, and over here you should be able to find the video over here. So we can select the video, press set as wallpaper, and then apply to, and then we can choose where we want to apply it. I'm gonna set it to both lock screen and home screen. After that, just press apply in the top right corner, and if you go back to the home screen, as you can see, we have animated wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.